Let's talk about everybody wanting a bathroom pass and what you can do about it. The bathroom passes can be this kind of wonky place where you can't say you can't go to the bathroom. So I totally understand that. I've tried a lot of things over the years, the sign in, sign out, the one bathroom pass, but then you always get the person who loses it or the kiddo who kind of hogs it. So I like to set it up in the structure of my day, because what you're really trying to teach kids is that there's probably a good time and a place when it's okay to get up and go to the bathroom. So it's not okay in the middle of a sentence. It's not okay to get up in the middle of a theater. I mean, have you ever had to do that? It's pretty embarrassing. You can't want to walk over people in the middle of the theater. So when you think about it, it's really a long-term skill for kids. So I like to set up a system where I say, hey, when I say take 5, which is something I use a lot, I will say take 5, talk time, but take 5 is one that if I'm going to lecture for 10 minutes, I'll say, hey, take 5. Or if we're working on work, at our seats, I'll say, guys, take 5. And take 5, and I describe what that is a time when you have options. First, you can talk to your friends. You can get up and walk around. You can go get a drink from your water bottle that's on the water bottle station, because do you really need to have a big, huge water bottle on your desk all day long? Maybe not. It's another distraction. And that's also a time when you can use the restroom. So I try to get kids to remember that so that they can look for the good time that it might be to go to the restroom. Thanks for watching. Please hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment.